Fixing bent keys, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical phrase, fix bent keys. This might sound a bit technical, but it's a great example of how English can be used in everyday situations. Let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Fix bent keys literally refers to the action of repairing keys that have been bent out of shape. However, it's important to understand that this phrase can also be used metaphorically. In everyday English, when someone says they need to fix bent keys, they might be talking about solving small, yet annoying problems. Just like a bent key can prevent a lock from opening smoothly, these small issues can make life a bit more difficult. Now, let's see how to use fix bent keys in different contexts. For instance, if you're at work and there are minor issues slowing down a project, you might say, "We need to fix bent keys to get this project moving." This implies that addressing small issues can lead to smoother progress. One common mistake learners make is using this phrase in a context that is too broad or serious. Remember, fix bent keys is best used for minor, everyday problems, not big, complex issues. It's like using a small wrench for a tiny nut, the right tool for a small task. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, fix bent keys, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances that make it so rich and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.